What's up, guys? Today's project, doing a little exhaust work on the Mustang here. I've previously installed an off-road H-pipe in some Flowmaster mufflers. I think they're the 45 series mufflers. And then the stock 2¼ inch tailpipes still on the car. It's a little loud for me. It's got a pretty bad drone at about 2100, 2200 RPM in the car. I'm going to try to quiet it down a little bit by adding some resonators to the H-pipe. I picked up a set of Vibrant Performance stainless. I think they're 8-inch resonators, 2.5 inch to fit the off-road H-pipe that's on it. We're going to weld those in. Everything's stainless, so we're going to do some TIG welding and weld these in and see if it quiets down the exhaust just a little bit. Hopefully we knock out some of that drone that's pretty bad in the car at around 2200 RPM. So that's the main goal, get rid of that drone a little bit. Overall, I like the way it sounds with the Flowmasters and the H-pipe. It's got a good, strong, throaty, deep sound to it. Really like it. It's just a little too much. I'm going to try to knock it down with the resonators a little bit. So we'll get everything unbolted here and do some cutting and welding and see what we come up with. All right, here's what we're starting out with. Stock exhaust manifolds with off-road H-pipe Flowmaster mufflers. Gonna try to add those resonators right here in this nice straight section. I got everything fit up the way I want it. Time to crawl into there, put some tacks, put a few tacks on each side, then I'll drop the whole thing out and get it up on the bench and weld it. All right, I got mostly welded up here. I didn't film a lot of welding this stuff because I was kind of running out of time and struggling with it a little bit. I ended up running out of argon. Did away with my clamps here and wanted to weld this up and ran out of argon and had to kind of just stop for the night. So it's another day here and we're gonna finish this up. I got these welded all the way around. They're not the prettiest, but they're kind of a slip fit and there was a little bit of a gap around there, so it was kind of hard to fill that in without this wanting to melt back some. But used 409 stainless filler, I think 045 wire is what I was using. Not too bad, but we're gonna go ahead and finish up these guys and get it thrown back on. I did drive it a little bit and it sounds way better. I'm really happy with the way these vibrant resonators worked out. It takes a lot of the real raspy, super loudness out of it, and it's seems like the sound is a little more of a kind of a deeper rumble. So I like it. I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. Probably got a little bit of exhaust leak right now from those spots, but we're gonna get those welded up real quick and put her back on the car and call this a job done. So I'll try to do some filming of the rest of the welding here, see what we can do. All right, we're all welded up. Gonna slide her back under here, bolted up, and we'll see how she sounds.